Honey, please go see a doctor.
No time.
Remember the last time you went to work like this?
I wants to get lunch. Still work is crazy. I can't go see a doctor today.
Actually, you're about to.
But, hi.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Choose the health plan that gives you affordable in-network access to UPMC doctors, in person or over the phone.